time to search for electric car fuel. I want to see some shit blow up. I don't know how good it's going to be, but we'll see. We'll see what the fuck happens. Everybody's vagina is aching here on the job today. I offered to bring in a big old box of extra heavy flow tampons for everybody. They're all in here crying like bitches. See what the fuck happens here. Down here, these two benches down here is what we're going to hit. Get more electric car fuel. Yahoo! This shot is brought to you by Phil Fakalewski Tire Shop. The best tires in the tri-state area. You want good tires? Come to Phil Fakalewski's. He may bend you over a time or two and run one up your ass, but you ain't get some fucking tires off that motherfucker. 30 fucking seconds to fucking annihilation. Too bad the White House crew couldn't be sitting on those shots. They'd probably blow that shitty diaper of Joe Biden's right off his ass.
10 seconds.
10 fucking seconds. Oh boy, here we go, here we go. I'm excited, oh God.
Fire in the hole.
Fire in my hole, I mean in the hole. That was okay. God damn it, that was horrible. Shit should have flew up in the fucking air. Now there's going to be boulders down in there to drag the fuck out of. Fuck! What the fuck? Oh. Barely even moved it. These guys, I'm telling you, these guys suck shit. Used to watch that other crew we had years ago. They would just blow shit sky fucking high. You had to get far back, because if not, they was going to tag you with some fucking rocks in the windshield. This shit here, oh fuck me. It didn't even move the dust on the drill holes. Still see all the piles of rock dust from the drill. Oh my. Yeah. Oh, fuck me running.
Shots all clear, all clear.
It's clear, all right. He hardly didn't. I could have stood on top of that one. For the fuck's sakes. Whatever. God damn it. Still thinking about bringing in them tampons, though. So here, slide these up your fucking vaginas, you fucking pussy-ass motherfuckers.
Is that you, Will?
Let me show you some other worthless fucking shit in the area around here. All these fucking windmills. Worthless fucking windmills. can't hardly see, but I can see a little bit of those ones. Worthless. Yeah, I can't believe they actually think they're going to power the country with that. That's simply fucking amazing. To sit and think about something like that that's going to power the nation. Nah. There's no fucking way. There's no way. Nah. Somebody's clear full of shit. There's the interstate. Oh well. Alright, everybody. I gotta get the fuck back to work, I guess. Any big rocks I'm gonna backing the fuck out of here. The pressure washer guy. Yeah. Well, I guess I could have used that opportunity to take a piss, but I'll waste time and do that another time today. Oh well. All right, everybody. One other thing I saw on Instagram was these truck drivers not delivering goods to New York, something like that. Don't know how true that shit is, but I guess we'll find out later on. But you know, the regular media won't post anything like that or talk about anything like that unless it's hurting the immigrants. Then, you know, the migrants that ran their way in through the border. So, yeah. But anybody, or I'm sorry. Anyway, everybody, have a good one. Like, share, comment, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Maybe I'll have a cold start attached to this. I don't know. We'll see what the fuck happens. See you on the next one. Welcome to the Garlet's High Performance Garage channel. This will probably be a rant video. Some bullshit happened to me already this morning. I'm not too fucking happy with. Just to show you how fucking stupid motherfuckers are today, and how customer service is dead in our country. Customer service has officially died. It's pretty horrible. And doctor's offices are one thing on my list I want to talk about. And the second part is car insurance. Car insurance. It's a racket. My state that I live in, Maryland, you have to have insurance in order to tag your car. You have to have car insurance. And it's not cheap. Of course, what the fuck else today is? What is cheap? Nothing. Nothing's
Nothing's cheap. Not anymore. Not in this economy with that fucking jerk-off in the White House. There's nothing cheap now. Everything's got to be sky fucking high. Everybody wants to run one up your fucking ass. I'm full of fucking negativity today. Let's start out with my doctor visit. I scheduled a doctor visit so they could draw blood, see where my cholesterol is, and all that other good happy horse shit. See if my liver's fatty or not, you know. Shit like that. Just a regular blood test. I talked to the doctor up there. He was a nice guy. He's new. He's new at the place. I've been going to this doctor for the last 8 to 10 years. I actually hadn't went up there for like 2 years. And I ran out of thyroid meds because they said I have hypothyroidism because I have a hell of a time losing any weight. So, you know, when they give you that med, it's supposed to help you. It's supposed to make your thyroid function come back to normal. Like, you know, like nothing happened. But it wasn't doing the trick for me at all. And so I wanted to get the test done and have them explain to me what the fuck's going on. Because I'd like to know. Because nobody ever explained anything to me. The other doctor that was there I was seeing, he didn't explain jack shit to me. Like he acted like he was too busy. But, you know, the son of a bitch was hardly ever there. So I go to the appointment. The guy orders for me to do one of these tests. Instead of doing a colonoscopy, he's supposed to send me at the pharmacy. He's supposed to send out 2 prescriptions. He was supposed to call CVS because I wanted out of CVS. CVS sucks. They take too long and they fuck your shit up all the time. So I want to do a small local pharmacy, which they're better because they get with you. They're locals. They know you by name. They take care of you at a smaller pharmacy, at one that's not a big corporate name attached to it. And he was supposed to send me this test instead of doing a colonoscopy. I was supposed to get this test done where it's this box, this kit shows up at your house, and you're supposed to shit in it. You're supposed to take a shit in this box and seal it up and send it back. Give you a shipping label to take it to UPS or FedEx, one of them mail stores, to send it back, to send your shit back so they can test it to see if any kind of cancerous shit shows up. Instead of going through the rigmarole of shitting your guts out to clean your body out so they can run this fucking camera up your asshole to see if you have any fucking polyps in your fucking intestines. The test's supposed to be more effective, so if they do find anything, they can catch it a lot quicker. So they say. I don't know much about this. I don't really. You know, but it made me laugh when I saw the commercial because, you know, you basically shit in this box and it sends it away. They test your shit. You should only take a little piece of it. And you can't shit in the toilet and dig it out of the water because then it's contaminated. And the test will be void, you know. So you need to shit right in I guess they give you a bag or something. You need to shit right in this bag. But anyway, I called up there this morning because, he told me, he said, we'll have your thyroid pill, the old dose and stuff. We'll call CVS, get the information. I'll send your prescription to the new pharmacy that you want to be at. Plus this box that you shit in, we'll send that too. And you go pick that stuff up. Take your thyroid pill for 6 weeks. Give you 6 weeks worth. You'll take that and then we'll retest you in 6 weeks. We'll take another blood test. And we'll see if that amount of thyroid pill is working. Because you can't up the dose right away. You have to gradually update it and keep testing it until they find if it works for you or not. So, I went over to the pharmacy Friday, over to the one I wanted to go to, which isn't too far from my workplace here. Well, they don't have any information. They don't have any MI information. Nothing from my doctor. No, nothing. So this guy up here did absolutely fuck all for me. He did absolutely nothing. So it's like, oh, okay. Alrighty then. You did nothing. You did absolutely nothing. You didn't do anything you said you were going to do. So I call up there this morning to complain, that nothing was done. Y'all need to see what the fuck's going on here. I need to know some information. Well, the secretary goes, I'll transfer your call back to the nurses back there. They can get with you and do better than me. Okay. So I call them up. She transfers my call. It gives me a message. Oh, we're busy right now. We can't get to your call. Leave a message with your birth date and your name. And your phone number. We'll get back to you. Well, every time I tried that, every time they transferred my call, it hung up on me. That made me fucking happy. That made me meaner than a fucking bear shitting razor blades. When about the third time when I called and it did that to me. So now I'm fed up and pissed off. I'm just going to go to another doctor. Fuck those assholes up there. Because apparently they don't give a fuck about their patients. They're just there to collect your money. And that's all they want. What else is new, really? What else is new? That's what the name of the game is today. Hey, let's see how much we can fuck this guy out of everything. It's a little rough up here on this job today. Oh, let's see, if we can fuck this guy out of money. So, I got tired of aggravating with them. Said, fuck it. I quit calling them. So, I had to pay my car insurance today because I forgot to call it Friday because I got brain fog like a motherfucker. And I call to pay my insurance. This is what I asked the girl. I said, okay. I said, the card that's on file, go ahead and pay it with the card number that's on file. It's the same account. Pay it. Okay. It's $378. I said, okay, I have a question. I need to know why my insurance has not went down because my son is off my policy. He bought a fairly new truck, new to me anyway. It's basically new because it has 10,000 miles on it. And I made him start his own policy with the same company, which is State Farm Insurance, with the local broker here. So, they did that. He took the Mercury Milan that I loved working on all the time. He sold that car to the place where he bought the truck, and he turned his tags in. Then he canceled the insurance. He called State Farm and said, cancel the insurance on the Mercury Milan. Cost should have come down. That was over a month ago. Well, I turn around, still paying this $300 and almost $80 for car insurance. I have 4 automobiles that are on historic insurance. They have historical tags. The car I drive to work, which is my Mercury Grand Marquis, it is liability only. I'm stopping to get fuel here. The insurance on my Mercury Grand Marquis is liability only, which isn't a lot. The only thing we have full coverage on is the Dodge Charger because it's got a lien on it from it was put up for collateral on a loan. So, with all that being said, she says, "Oh, let me figure up some stuff and see what the hell's going on. I'll call you back." So she calls me back and says, "Your son will be paying like $82 a month for his insurance." I said, "That's nice." I said, "But that's not what I asked you. I asked you, what the fuck is my insurance going to be every month now that he's off my policy?" "Oh, what? He's not off your policy. He's still on your policy on that Mercury Milan because that was the cheapest car we could insure him under." "Okay. Why?" I said, "The tags were turned in. The insurance was canceled. He was taken off my policy and put on his own." "Oh, no. He's still on your policy. Plus, he's got his own policy with his pickup on the other policy." "Okay. Why?" "Well, you need to give me a date when them tags were turned in." So I was like, okay, well, see you later. So I hung up. I called my wife and I said, you're going to have to deal with this. I said, "I am fucking fit to be tied right now." I told her what was going on. And she said that shit was told to them at that time when it was fucking the tags were turned in. They were called and told this. So she should have the date already. Nope. But my wife did straighten it out. That's supposed to knock $97 off my car insurance per month. $97 comes off. And I was like, "Motherfuckers, you sons of bitches owe me $97 fucking dollars back." I'm telling you, folks, our country is going to hell on a fucking shutter. It's all about the money. It's not about helping you. It's not about providing a service for you to pay for and for it to be a good service. It's not. It's about fucking you over and taking your money. That's what it's all about today. And then they wonder why you're fucking pissed off. They wonder why you're mad. And they do this shit to other people. And other people will load up guns and go shoot each other over it. And they wonder why. Oh, the detectives at the, here, they can't figure out why the guy went postal, got a machine gun, got his Thompson fucking machine gun out, and blowed 13 people the fuck away that work at this place over here. It's because they fucked him. That's why. That's why he got tired of getting fucked. Oh, that's not why. He's a psychopath. No, he's not. This man is tired of getting fucked. That's why. These people have no clue. They have no fucking clue what goes on. That's why I say customer service has long been dead for a while and gone. It has turned to dust already.
Back up there beside you, Corey.
They say that a corpse out in the open of a human being, it takes 7 years for the flesh to completely break down on a dead body if nothing touches it. If nothing's there to eat it up or, pull the flesh off of it, just sitting on its own in the elements, it would take 7 years for the flesh to completely decompose off of a human corpse. But customer service has been dead long enough to have been rotted in the ground and turned to dust equivalent. So, yeah. thank you, customer fucking service. Thank you for fucking us over. Thanks for... We should have a memorial service for customer service. Because it is officially fucking dead in the United States and around the world. It's something that just doesn't happen anymore. They just, when they answer the phone, they should just say, hello, go fuck yourself. I'm done getting fueled now. So yeah, that's the world we're living in today. It's the go fuck yourself world. Hey, fuck you. Hey, did I mention for you to go fuck yourself? No, I'm sorry, you didn't. Wait, go ahead, go fuck yourself. Ah, fuck you, and fuck you, and fuck you, and fuck you. Go fuck yourself. Hey, wait a minute. Before you go fuck yourself, give me some money. You owe me some money for telling you to go fuck yourself. Oh, it's thousands. Thousands of dollars. I pay over $4,000 a year for car insurance. I figured it up the one day. $4,080-some. Makes you feel fucking good. Because if you have an accident, you get one of these again. Fuck you! Even though it was the other person's fault. Fuck you! Hey! Did I mention for you to go fuck yourself? Oh, I'm sorry. Not really, but go fuck yourself. Oh, yeah. This is just, this nation is grand with that kind of shit, man. Get you coming and going. And now we did our taxes for last year. Me and her together made like over $90,000, which didn't fucking feel like it. And I owe those cocksuckers in the federal government 96 more fucking dollars. Yay! Plus I owe $80 or $90 for them to process my fucking taxes yet. Isn't this country wonderful? Isn't it great? Oh my God. They take so many goddamn taxes out of you, you can't keep your head above water. Oh, why isn't anybody going to vote Democrat this year? Oh boy, yeah. They can't wrap their heads around that shit, can they? Oh my fucking God. Boy, it's a fucking shit show circus around here anymore, isn't it? It's fucking grand. I'm telling you. You may wonder why this time of year is so depressing. It's because the weather sucks. You can't really go out and do anything, get any fresh air. Fucking freeze your balls off. And then you get stuff like that happen to you, where everybody's got to run one up your fucking ass. Fuck you over. Hey, how you doing? Wait a minute, I got this big fucking brass rod to run up your ass. And then when I get it up there nice and tight where you're fucking moaning and groaning and really fucking pissed, I'm going to break that fucker off. And then, oh, did I do that? Aw. Oh my. From customer service down to trying to keep our kids from learning math in school. Yeah. We're on the road to fuck you town. Well, we're already here. We already went down that road. We're waiting for them to build more so we can cruise on down the rest of fuck you lane. Yep. Everything is just fucking peachy. Peachy fucking keen, and oh my god. Hey.
Very much.
How are you doing today? Oh, I'm okay. I woke up this morning, unfortunately. Hey! Go fuck yourself. Click. Yes, I believe I'm going to be finding another doctor and see what satisfaction I can get there. But until then, everybody, hit that like button down there. Leave a comment. Share it. Maybe subscribe a little bit, maybe. Everybody have a good one. I'll hopefully see you on the next one, if there is a next one. If I ain't in jail for fucking going out and murdering somebody over something stupid. If it's possible, have a good one, everybody. Well, it looks like we got time for one more. This will be a 3-shot today. Let's see how this one goes. I won't be worth a fuck, just like the last one. Well. They all can't be winners, I guess. So I'll give you a look at where we're at. Right there, where that truck is sitting, we're going to blow off that corner right there. People out of there. We're supposed to try to shift the blast over towards the hole here instead of over towards that way. And we're going to see what happens. See what the fuck happens. This fucking window sucks. Got welder's flash all over it. Alright, we'll see what happens here. Alright, had to change my angle. The fucking sun is everywhere up your ass today. Let's see what the hell happens here.
30 seconds.
30 seconds.
Fire to hold.
See what happens with this one. Ooh. Yeah, he blew it the wrong way. Yeah, go figure. Yeah, yep. Nice. Oh, there you go. Oh boy, what a mess. There you go, everybody. Yeah, this is going to be awesome. You see how it looks.
Oh man, yeah, we got our work cut out for ourselves. Got some job security there. Yeah. All right, everybody. This will be the third one for the day. Yeah. It's just about quitting time anyhow.
Can you come here and get some of these rocks I couldn't quite read?
Oh my, fuck me. Well, here we are again, everybody. At least it's job security and more digging. Stupid the hell I don't have to work Saturday, because that sucks. Alright, everybody, I'll see you on the next one. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Yes, I got to start my truck. It smells like a rotten asshole in here. Jesus Christ. Fuck me. Look at me. Smells so much better. Want that to fall on the floor. Oh man. Whew. Wow. Wow, wee baby.